Tonight, a judge has sentenced a former BISD teacher to probation after a jury convicted him of injury to a child. A jury found Michael Fisher guilty of hitting a student at Smith Middle School in 2013. KFDM's Sarai Dameen reports how the victim, Fisher, and both families say the decision is bringing closure.
Michael Fisher walked out of a Jefferson County courtroom with a sentence of 10 years probation and no jail time if he remains out of trouble.
Which basically says, Michael, you've got a second chance. If you, violate it, then you're looking at going to the penitentiary and having a big fine assessed against you.
Thomas Burbank defended Fisher. He says the jury's decision is one with which Fisher and his parents can live.
Everybody's relieved that when you ask 12 strangers to decide whether or not your son goes to the penitentiary in Huntsville or to keep him out, I think every parent kind of, thank you.
Fisher's probation includes many conditions. He can't possess alcohol, he can't use drugs, and he must do community service. Any violation would mean serious consequences.
If he violates, consequently he's facing up to 7 years and up to a $5,000 fine.
Daniel Hunt was one of the prosecutors. He says the case offers a lesson to others.
We want our kids to be safe. We want them to learn, but we want them to be safe at the same time, and we place that emphasis on the teachers and administrators. Don't just educate our kids, but keep them safe while they're at school. One thing I liked was at the end, the defendant came over and hugged the victim. And I asked the victim afterwards, were you okay with that? He said, yeah, I think it was good.
Evidence, according to Hunt, the victim and his family are satisfied with the outcome and ready for closure. In Beaumont, Sarai Dameen, KFDM 6 News.
Fisher's attorney says his client must take classes on anger management and self-control.